Hi, in today's video we're going to talk about the Highland Park Lapidary's shaping machine and the advantages of it. My name is Carl Milner and I am with Wyoming Mountaineers Lapidary. Thank you for joining me. Let's first explore what the shaping machine is. The shaping machine simply uses a grinding wheel of different shapes and a cam of different shapes. As you can see, the cams come in many different shapes, or you can buy the blanks and make your own cams. The wheels are shaped in a multitude of shapes. You can get them with an angle. You can get them flat like this one is. You can get them round to make spears. Any shape you can imagine, you can get for these grinding wheels. So, to make a cabochon blank out of this shaping machine, you start with just a small piece of stone. This is a stone slab of jade, okay? And it's going to go into the jaws here, and after getting clamped down, the machine will get turned on and it will grind this stone into that shape, making these blanks. So here we go, let's get started. As I clamp this into the vise, I try to match the direction that my cam is pointing since it's long on one side. Okay, these are two little wooden dowels that are pressed inside of these posts, and you use this handle to tighten it up. Once it's tight, you simply turn on the machine and the grinding wheel comes on. Now the big advantage of this machine is you use this lever to lower your work down. As soon as you turn the lever, the oil comes on and the machine starts turning. You slowly lower your stone into the grinding wheel and the machine takes over from there. Now, it does have a hood that I can close, but for this video we'll leave it open. It's a little loud with the hood open, so bear with the noise. As you can see, the head of the machine is moving up and down on that cam. Okay, the cam rides on this little deck here that is adjusted with this knob to set the height. Once you set the height, you can run 100 cabs or 1,000 cabs, and cut them all to the same size and shape. The advantage of this is you will see what takes me an hour to do on the cab machine, using templates, marking the stone, putting it on a dop stick. Everything else will take a mere minute on this machine. And you will come out with a perfectly shaped cab every time. Now these are Cabochon blanks here, okay, and they can now be used to either make a silver mounted or gold mounted cabochon, or you can even use them for wire wrapping. Okay, you can see some of them are quite thick, set up just for wire wrapping. I'll cut a groove around there, and then I'll go into the polishing of it. The polishing does not take long compared to getting the initial rough shape. As you can hear, there are times when the grinding wheel grinds, and there are times when the grinding wheel does not grind. The stone is to size where it's not grinding. As it grinds where it is grinding, it'll bring this into the perfect size and shape every time. It's very consistent, very repeatable, and as you can see, very fast. We are mere minutes into this cabochon blank, and it is almost done. It'll start grinding less and less as it gets the high spots off and brings it down to the correct size. This machine has a ton of features. Okay, it is oil run. You can run it with water. Oil will make your stones last a lot longer. Okay, these grinding wheels get rather expensive, so you want to make them last as long as you can. So I suggest you use Highland Park's special oil. Down in the bottom of the machine is the tank where the oil drains to. It does have a spot here, right here, where you can drop an ever-clean unit onto this machine and have constantly clean oil. Okay, or you can simply drain the oil out of the tank, run it through a standalone ever-clean unit, and when it's clean, put it back into the machine. As you can hear, this thing is barely grinding at all. It is almost done, and it's only been 6 minutes. That's a far cry better than the hour I would spend marking it, cutting it, trimming it, and then shaping it on the cab machine. Okay? In doing so, if I am making cabs out of these, what I'm doing is saving the life of my cabbing wheels. Since I am already so close to a perfect shape, I don't need to waste a lot of time and effort on those cabbing wheels grinding this out, which means less wear and tear on the grinding wheels. These grinding wheels for this machine are far cheaper than the grinding wheels, for instance, that CB8 cabbing machine there. Once you get to where that thing's barely hitting at all, you simply lift it up, turn the machine off, and your cabochon blank is complete. As you can see, this is the one that I just did. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope this video was fun and educational for you, and it shows you the advantage of having this machine. If you're in a production type of shop where you want to make some extra money making cabochons, wire wrapping blanks, things like that, this is a must-have machine. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe to get future videos.